Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, This is the last costume of this year's Curvy Baddie costume. Yes, I'm super excited. We are going to get right into it. We are doing a bomb ass Medusa. Like, I'm super excited to do this look, you guys. As far as I already stated, if you're new here, this is a baddie of all trades type of vibes. So we do fashion, hair, nails, makeup, all of that good stuff. If that's something that you're interested in, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so anytime I upload a video, you are notified. Don't forget to give this video a big kiss, that like button, comment down below, and share this video with your friends. Let's hop into the costume because... Okay, you guys, so like every other costume this month of this year, we're just doing regular old base makeup. I'm just gonna talk for a second and then we're just gonna go through and do the makeup. But so this is the thing about my baddie look. I went back and forth with how I was gonna freak this costume because I was doing research for inspo, and I like to do that because I also like to see what someone else didn't do, so I can be a little bit different and be original. And every time you see a Medusa look, it's always green, scales, all of that. But we're baddies, so we're not going to do that. We're not doing that. And it's always gold snakes. We're not even going to do that either. We're going to have colorful snakes in our hair. And it's going to tie in very well in my head. That's what it's looking like it's going to tie in. So hopefully that translates in the costume, because it could be very much not a vibe if it doesn't look the way I want it to, and then y'all not going to see this. But if you do see this, it did turn out right. Okay, so I've already done my brows and all that. I'm about to put my base on my eyebrows. Child, I'm about to put I'm putting my base on, as you can see, on my eyelids, and we're gonna go ahead and blend this out like we always do. But the eyes are what we're gonna do together. I'm gonna try to talk through them, not much but quickly. So we're gonna use our Jackie Aina and ABH palette because I really need the colors in it. And then we're gonna go to our Halloween palette and use the black out of that. But we're using Ginger, Credit, the black, and then Wigglies. Okay, so I just want y'all to know what's happening.
Playing on the track.
Into some inner corner and some under eye. Sisters not twins. This side I really up on, but it looks pretty similar in shape, so we just gonna have to keep it moving. We just gonna keep it moving because I'm not about to stress myself out. That's it. That's it. Okay, so I just set my face as you see or saw, and I'm about to start I'm trying to decide as I'm about to put my mascara on if I want to do bottom lashes or not. Yeah, I want dark lips, but I don't want them to be black. So I think the brown does what I need. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes, and then we're gonna come back and style our hair together because we gotta put our snakes and stuff in it. So we'll be right back. So my lashes are done. I did put on bottom lashes, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them or not. I just put on like a little short little strip that I had. I'm just not sure. So what I really want to do is to kind of connect the snakes. I got a bunch of toy snakes. And I really want to connect the snakes to my hair, if that makes sense. Okay, so in my vision, I am going to basically bantu knot the snakes into. I'm going to just kind of, well, not bantu knot, but like wrap it around like so. Hopefully this works the way I want it to, but there's only one way to really find out. So instead of just wrapping the hair, I'm gonna do a ponytail and kind of stick them in the ponytail kind of thing. Let's see if that works instead. So I'm not gonna do the ponytail tight. I'm gonna do a loose ponytail like that, very loose. Like I don't want, because it has to have the stuff in it. It's gonna be very loose. I'm gonna use the same ponytail I used in the back and just do a ponytail. Very loose, because, you know, well, not very loose, but loose enough. So this is a lot harder than I expected. However, I was able to get some of the snakes in, so I'm coming back on camera to kind of like start putting the rest in. Let's just say this is hard. So I'm leaving the strand kind of long and then just pinning it in the back. Where now I wish I would have done my dress before I did this part, because I gotta bend over and shit, and this is gonna be hard. Y'all, before I came back on camera, I was panicking because I was also, look, it's not staying. I was also trying to put it on a headband, but it wasn't, these weren't sticking on the headband with the hot glue gun. And I'm like, what in the hell? Like, it was getting real. So before I continue with these, because these are longer, the middle pieces is really what mattered, I think. I'm gonna pull it back because I'm thinking in my head, if I pull this part back, then I can just like stick the rest of the snakes in because they're a little longer. See, this is falling a little bit, but not too bad. Okay, so what I'm about to do is I'm gonna start wrapping the dress, but I'm gonna first do my boob tape and then back you guys up so I can do the dress, and then I'll finish these snakes. I'm just gonna stick them in my head and figure that out, and then yeah. So give me 1 second so I can get prepared so we can do the dress real fast, because these seem to be secure except for this one, but these are secure for the most part. I'm gonna leave my hair kind of straight like this just because I don't want to touch it as much anymore. But yeah, we're almost there. Like, I just need a few more snakes. I'll probably only do like 2 more, like drooping down, maybe 3, so I don't have to like really fight with it. But yeah. So I put on my bra and my faja, and I'm gonna do a 1 shoulder. I was gonna do a drop. Well, maybe I can, because if I do that, see, basically what you want to do is like tie a toga in a sense. Let me see if I can do something really cute. And this, I got this fabric from Amazon. It's 5 yards. So right now I'm just trying to figure out a cute way to tie it. I have all this here. So now what I'm gonna do is go the other way. And I wanted to kind of have a drapery. So I'm gonna wrap the top of it tight and then just wrap this around until, while covering the hem. It's a lot when you're tying. Essentially, I'm tying a toga. So what I want to do is just pin it in places where I feel like it just needs a little more security. Accent it. So that is essentially the dress. My Medusa dress. It came out okay. I would have wanted it to look a little different, but I might mess with it while I'm off camera just because I'm doing this on camera. Alright, so I'm about to go finish putting these in my hair and then we'll come back with the final look. I'm going to zhuzh this dress up just a little bit more just so I can see a little better. Okay, flowers, so here is the final look. It actually came out kind of pretty. I like the way the headpiece look. It just matches really well. Yeah, I actually ended up keeping on the fishnet because it just held everything, and I just pushed some more snakes. But yeah, so it came out pretty good. This was a hard costume, which is why it was my finale one, but I do like it, don't get me wrong. Of course, next to me you're gonna see me probably on this side, you're gonna see the full body, and then I'll post the pictures and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this costume in this Halloween season. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Comment down below, let me know which one has been your favorite. Follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. Don't forget to join that flower gang. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't turn to stone.